Welcome to my first travel scrapbooking video. These are all the materials that I thought could be useful: pencils, glues, different types of papers and cute stickers, washi tapes. I printed illustrations from Pinterest on matte paper to use as backgrounds or decorations. I also created a template of different sizes of Polaroids and printed them on photographic paper and cut them. This is my bag of memories and scraps that I collected during that year. I kept maps, tourist guides, and cards to use in my scrapbook. Let's get started. This is my first scrapbook ever, and the most difficult part for me was figuring out the layout I wanted. I decided to do it in chronological order, so I selected everything related to my first month in Vietnam and moved them around until I liked the way they looked. I glued everything down and added some decorations in red and green to match the colors of the layout. Figuring out the style of scrapbooking that I liked made the process much easier. I watched a lot of YouTube videos and pictures on Pinterest for inspo. I like the idea of layering photos to use less space. Just make sure to tape down both sides of the pictures to secure them. Here I used a map from one of the guides to create a corner pocket and then added some stickers to decorate. For my next layout, I had tons of pictures, so I decided to do a page dedicated to the old quarter in Hanoi and the other one for food and friends. I used the envelope method on my old quarter page to have more space for pictures. Corner stickers are great, they're really cheap, and this way you don't damage postcards or pictures you want to keep. I choose the colors or theme of the layout by looking at the most prominent colors on the pictures. This way, it's all gonna look cohesive. Traced the font from my computer screen and it turned out great. For the next page, I used the layering method again to have more pictures. At this point, it was much easier to decide where I wanted to put everything, so the process was faster. I decorated with brown and blue tones with washi tape and stickers. Finally, I wrote some notes with permanent marker and used an alphabet stamp to add details.